Hey, peace everyone. It's your partner Noble and Pooh. I'm gonna make this really quick. First and foremost, rest in peace, Charlie Kirk. I'm gonna flat out tell you, man, there is some evil motherfuckers out here, right? Um, and there's a pattern to the evilness, to the wickedness. There's a pattern to it. You have, years ago, over 15 years ago, when there was a thing called DVDs, right? One of probably about my second DVD I've ever done was called The Cosmic Art of War, Part 2, The Assassination Files. I took a look upon Abraham Lincoln, John Kennedy, his brother Bobby Kennedy, then went to the black community, studied Malcolm X, of course, Martin Luther King, of course, even Dr. Khalid Muhammad, rather, right? And so, assassinations and or attempted assassinations, such as the attempt on Trump's life, there is a cosmic reoccurring pattern every single time, okay? And that is dealing with the planet Mars, all right? Now, how coincidentally, Mars is a planet that deals with bloodshed, violence. It is known as the god of war. I always say, strike United States on a Wednesday, because that's when you're gonna get your most run, because come Tuesday, we kicking off in your ass. Guaranteed. There is a statue of the Roman god Mars on the entranceway of the U.S. Capitol building where this country makes its laws, okay? So these are the key words for Mars. This Mars in the mythology, this observation has been made thousands of years ago that this planetary energy deals with war and violence. Please note that when Charlie Kirk was born, the sun appears to be at the hand of the Virgin, okay? Well, on his assassination day, you see Mars is at the hand of the Virgin. And this is the meaning of when the planets align. This is exactly why I pay attention to this particular planet at all times. I never take my eye off the ball. I know when it's going to move in one of the four signs that's going to challenge me. Mars has to be in a position. Imagine just drawing a big square, not a rectangle, a square. And the four corners of the square, it's really, now draw a circle around the square, right? But, connect it, right? With a circle run through the corners of the square. Mars has to be in one of four positions in order for this assassination or this code red to really manifest itself. Very rarely, very rare, do I see it happen without it being there. All right, it has to be in one of these four corners of a square. All right, that's his rhythm, that's his spot. All right, and this is why these sciences really have to be studied and understood. But again, just showing you clear as day, what a fucking coincidence. And they said that Kirk's last words was gun violence. You mean to tell me the planet that deals with a gun, right? Your very last word is the thing that represents the planet. The planet is in the exact same spot of where the sun appeared to be when you were born, and boom, you get hit with a bullet. Yeah, that's how the evil force works, okay? So anyway, man, I'm gonna sign out, and man, I wish his family the best. That's a horrible thing, you know what I mean? It really is. And you guys can get at me in the Patreon, all right?